there, travel bug. I'm back with another packing cube video for our packing cube video series where I'm going through all the packing cubes that I own, which is a lot, and telling you all of the pros, cons, things that I do and don't like about them, and giving them a rating based on durability, variation, and appearance. So let's dive into the second set of eBag packing cubes that I have. They are their Lite series. If you watched my prior video, you know that I have had this classic packing cube set since I was 15, and it is very durable. And because I like the minimalistic look as well, I decided to pick up a set of their Lite packing cubes, and you can definitely tell that the material on them is something that I would see camping. You know, when you're camping and you want that lightweight material, that's what the body of this feels like. I don't know any of the technical terms or anything like that. I'm just giving you my perspective on these cubes. On the front, they all have this white mesh in comparison to the other cube set where it's a black mesh, so it does give it that minimal, breathable feeling as well. The zipper pulls are very dainty and small. I tend to be an overpacker, so when I pack my packing cubes, they get pretty stuffed, and I have noticed, I think it was the second time I used this, the packing cube started to rip, and you can kind of see where it started to rip along the edge here. So as far as durability, I give these a 3 out of 5 because the mesh is starting to rip, and I haven't used these, I wouldn't even say a tenth as much as I've used their classic ones, so they shouldn't be ripping that easy. And as far as appearance goes, I do think that they have a really nice design. They're very sleek, so I give them a 4 out of 5 ladybugs for that. And as far as their variety goes, I think their options could be a little bit more expanded as far as the sizes that you get. So I would give them, I would say a 3 out of 5 for that too, because I didn't find as wide of a range of sizes as I did for their classic style. So I still like these and I still use them. If I need something in a smaller cube, I will put things in here because compared to the other cubes, it's like half the size. And then they have the slim, which I have here. And then compared to their slim, again, it's like a third of the size. So I do think that these packing cubes do come in handy because they have a size that the classic doesn't. And it has a very sleek look to it, but it still doesn't have the variety that I'm looking for. Click the video you see on your screen to continue the series.